Just another boring vice grip video. And they're gonna make this really short. I have one of these ones. Little tiny ones. Only big as my finger. What are these? 4WR. What is that? How many inches is this? 4 inches? But the reason why I buy these, 4-inch, 100 millimeters. The reason why I buy these are made in Taiwan. There's a bunch of these on the market. If you buy the little itty bitty ones, the little tiny ones that are made in China, and the finishes are not the same. And I've been cleaning out the place locally that has these. They only have one left. Nobody really buys these for the price. And I think because I try to get 4 of each one. Why do I buy 4 of every vice grip? Except for no-name ones. Well, when you collect them, you collect them. But when you're building something and you need all the same kind of things, at least having 4 is good. So I have 4 of almost all of them. And I'm working on 4 of all the vintage Peterson vice grips next. That's my plan. There's quite a few I gotta get. But I don't want them all in packages. I use them. But I've used like the little tiny ones in certain spots. And if you're, instead of using like a giant one like this to get in a little corner, sometimes these little bitty, itty bitty no-name ones work really good. See, that one goes upward. This is the downward spout. See? I'm not gonna take it out of the package for you. Just a short video. IRWIN Vise-Grip model number, the original since what? 1924. I thought it was cool. Taiwan made. Tell me if you like vice grips. Leave a number in the comments. I'm gonna make another big giant vice grip video again, just for the fun of it. Because I feel like every year I need to make at least 10 vice grip videos and buy at least 10 more vice grips. And I did order another one off of eBay. I ordered another one, an old one. You're gonna love it. I don't know. It's not gonna be that exciting, but I like it. Buying new ones. I like buying the these things. These are my favorite. My favorite ones. These old suckers. What are they? BMC grips. These are cool. What I like about these ones, and specifically, it's a specific thing only, is that when they bite down, like they go like flat. So if you want to hold like a piece of sheet metal, they get a nice bite in it. Other than that, they're really cool. They're old. They have some Bakelite in it. I've what I should do is start taking old vice grips and cutting them open and showing people the innards of the gizzards of all the old tools. But destroying a $9 pair of tool just to show you and never do anything with it. So I'm gonna have to figure out a way to destroy it and then do something, or maybe I'll learn how to rivet them back. Those ones all I think have pins in them, or I'll get a riveting machine, just smash and rivet. Anyway, thanks for watching. Don't forget, love, like, subscribe. Tell me how you enjoy this thing here. Click some buttons.